In this video, I'm going to go over how to make a three-tone drawing with Stipple. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Stipple. For my source image, I'm going to pick this image of Jar Jar Binks. So for my dot color, I'm going to pick kind of a dark red. And then for my background, I'll pick kind of let's see, kind of a medium yellow color. Now, what's important if you're following along for this demonstration is just the dot color. Dot color should be darker than the background color. That's just for this demonstration. I'll explain why once we get going. So I'm going to start drawing. I'm going to reposition this image a little bit. All right, so right now I'm drawing the dark spots or the shadows of the image, and they're all becoming the darker toned red. Let's do this a little bit. All right, so now what I'm going to do is switch to a lighter tone, and a tone that's lighter than the background itself. So I'm just going to do white actually. And then this is important. Go to the levels palette. This is the levels, the squiggly line. Uh, Now what you're going to want to do is in the right hand corner, there's an invert button. It's in between the A and the lock icon. So click it so the white is on the right hand side. And now what we'll be doing is we'll be drawing the light spots of the image. So now we're basically drawing the highlights of the image. So before in the beginning when I said that it was important that we picked a darker tone than the background, and right now where I'm saying it's important that we pick a tone that's lighter than the background when we're in the inverted draw map mode, is because if we're trying to give the impression that we're drawing the highlights, then we should pick a color that's brighter than everything else. And if we're trying to draw or trying to make the impression that we're drawing the shadows, then we should pick a color that's darker. So those are really the only rules, and you'll end up with pretty good results. Just the background should be a medium tone. The dark color when you're in this mode should be a dark tone, and then again when we're in the inverted mode, pick the lighter white tone. All right, that's it. It's pretty simple. Let's see. I'm gonna hide my background image so we can see what we got. Looks amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching and give it a shot.